What's up guys, welcome back. Super Mario from Mario Odyssey with Cappy. Haven't drawn Cappy yet. So I'm on the landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So he's kind of like looking up at Cappy, you know. He's like, oh. And so his head's down here and Cappy's like jumping off. So we're going to go down to the bottom half of the page. We're going to start with his big round nose. So just like a circle like that. And then his eyes come out from behind. One there. Like so. And he's like looking up, so his blue eyes are like here in the top right hand corner. And then his pupil. Same on this side. Like so. So he's got eyebrows, so they're kind of like up here. And they are kind of furry as well in Odyssey, but they go underneath his hair, right? So you just kind of spike the ends. You could finish that if you wanted, but his hair kind of covers it. So we got his like hair spikes here. Right, like that, like his fringe just comes over his eyebrows. Right, so I'm going to do his mustache. So each side coming out like so. And then it just bumps around 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got a big smile. So we're going to just smile it down here. Curve line. And it's an open mouth smile. So we do the bottom. And then we go for teeth. And there. And then we can just kind of see his tongue just coming down that way. And then there's like a bottom lip. And then chin. Right, so his face kind of curves around his mustache, so his cheeks. Curve around there. And then it goes up. And we get some more sort of hair just here. And like side of his head. Then we get his ears. Got some ear lines inside. And then the rest of his hair, so it just like bumps this way. texture lines and stuff. And these two little spikes sticking off the back of his head, sort of here. Right, so we got his blue dungarees. Two straps coming down here. Golden button. And then the bit that comes over his stomach. Some stitching around the edges. And then shoulder. You can see the glove just of his white hand starting there. And we do the same on this side. Right, so then Cappy, just above his head. So like the front of Cappy, the bit that like sits on Mario's head, just here, like an oval sort of shape. And then the cap part, so it like sticks off here. And then there's a top bump, sort of. And then two big, huge eyes. So real big oval eyes. It kind of like connects here in the middle, so it kind of goes straight down there and then around. And then eyes just in here, blue or another red, not blue, different color to Mario's. And then just the back of the hat just goes around, I think, and just connects down here somewhere. All right, that's it. Mario and Cappy. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.